Okay, so my microphone had slid down my helmet as I was going to Carlo. It's picking up a lot of wind noise. Uh, when I hit Carlo, Ricky tells me it had slipped, and I fixed it. Also, you'll hear a slight tapping. That's my microphone wire tapping off my helmet. It's also something I've fixed, and that won't be an issue in the later coming videos. Okay. So yeah, look, this is my first type of Moto vlog, or whatever you want to fucking call it. I just said I'd give you a little quick introduction, or well, not even introduction. Do you know what? I'm so bad at talking on camera. Like, I've already recorded one of these videos and I deleted it because it's just not good enough. I'm really hoping my mic can pick up everything, because, like me especially, it's very windy. My helmet, I'm getting blown around in here. But I have a little fucking fluffy windbreaker thing on my mic, so I'm hoping that'll save the audio. But I also have a balaclava on, and I want to make sure it's picking up my voice from under the balaclava. But yeah, oh, more bikes! More bike, I should say. Fucking love bikes. Oh. Little Mazda now to slow me down. You will be overtaken, sir. I don't know when, I don't know how, but I'm going to do you. Not sexually. It's just gay. But it's 2024, just about. We can't be choosing. Oh, look this roundabout. No one knows how to work it. Hello. What's the crack? You're in Tesco. Let me meet you in Tesco. Okay, I'll be out there in 2 minutes. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Huh? No, not at all. I'll be there. I'm just at the... I'm just coming up the Topers. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Bye, bye. Oh no, my friend. Ah! Oh, I want to just overtake you. Ah, there's no point. We'll be nice to you. Here comes the money. I was too busy looking at the guards to notice that we were all stopped. Can I just filter here? I'm going to filter. Who's going to stop me? Who's going to stop me? I should have pulled in there behind that person. Red light work. What is going on here? For fuck's sake! They're all queuing to get in there. Oh my god! Wow, that's madness. Woo! Fuck that for a game of fucking... I don't know any games because I'm retarded. Ah, motorbike friend! Hello, Mr. Motorbike! Nice bike! He's a learner too! Oh. For me and Ricky, well, Ricky mainly, because I'm used to it. My boss. No. We're trying to find all the A2 and A learners in Carlo, just because we need friends, because we're lonely. Oh, I forgot to put my visor up and it's getting all steamy. Fuck you and your round. Indicator. Mother of God. I'm filtering. I see a Fenland van. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Call Kieran. Come on. Hey Siri. He said a Yamaha. Hey Siri. Call Kieran.
Calling Kieran door mobile.
I should just cut in there, couldn't I? If he doesn't answer, I'm gonna be, Kieran.
I thought that was going to be you behind me.
It is me behind me. You. What?
Oh, it is?
It is me. I'm better than you. Lad, what is going on?
We're going into Fairgreen, you going in?
I'm going into Fairgreen, yeah. Who's with you?
Sean.
Oh, right, yeah.
It's a ninja turtle,
I'm gonna actually get parking in here though, you're not.
Yeah, well, you know what? Fuck you, I'm a man in a van, I'll park where I want.
Stop on the old hazards, you broke down. We're gonna aim for the main door. I know Ricky's parked up there somewhere. Oh, I'd love to just... I'm really tempted. I see Ricky. Oh, fuck this for a laugh. Don't hit the ball. Ricky is here somewhere. Oh, there's the bike. Hello, Mr. Ricky. We're never getting out here, lad. Just pull your way through. Am I hitting you? I am. She liked the bike. She probably heard me say that too. I cut in front of this Audi for you. Yeah, fuck it. Make for great content. The security guard is eyeing us up. If we just walk, like... Quick! No, fuck it, go for it. They're waiting for your man. Do you want to go right here, is it?
Yeah, go to the right, yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Are we filtering? Yes. Come on, follow me. Okay, get ready to pull in. There's a car coming.
5 miles back now.
Okay. There's no cars after that Audi if you want to make a push. As I say, that fucking Hyundai came coming, but you're alright, you're good. There you go. Good man. Yay! If I don't rev the sack out of my bike, I stall. That's what I've learned. But sometimes if I rev the sack out of my bike, I stall. Very close, but it's not the same bike. love whipping this Yorkshire roundabouts. It's such a fun bike to whip around on. Have you an exhaust leak? I didn't know you had an exhaust leak.
Yeah, I have one. That's the middle pipe and one at the header.
We could have just went up through the bollards.
No, they're cleaned up.
Oh, are they? Oh, it's a good thing you said that.
You survivor. I can see the chain.
I didn't even see him. What the fuck? Oh yeah, all the pops and bangs. Right, let's not be speeding because there's small children around here. Should we just fucking pack them up here in the car, will we? Nicest spot of any. I'm walking in here with my helmet on. My head's very cold.
Run in with the helmet on?
He is.
Yeah, you boot out now.
You reckon? This is a robbery. Oh. I got you, didn't I? Yeah. Yeah. I love how you get all the attention and no one looks at me in my Supermo.
I'm sorry that I'm not Brazilian.
I love how you just went into a bit of Supermoto in yeah. Oh, this is really annoying me, this little furry fucking ball. I've kind of fixed my horn, did you hear that?
Yeah.
The horn is knackered, but it's making somewhat of a noise. Yeah. Oh my god, the amount of cars. I've no fingernails, I can't pop my visor up.
I just don't lock mine.
I don't lock mine either, it's just I literally have no fingernails to even grab the lip of the... Oh, fuck you! No one's seen that. And I just slip neutral. I've not fucking... There we go. Oh man. Chug. Are you going to the lorry bay or are you going to the pumps?
Go to the back.
Woohoo! That was loud.
Oh, that's because there's no one around.
Yeah. Do you want a bit of diesel?
No.
Sure. Let's get a bit of diesel. Come on. It's a good thing we're not getting the car washed anyway.
We can skip the line.
Just filter the car wash. What did the bush do to deserve that? Oh, the seats are soaked. Rick Moto. What's mine? The blue XT? That blue XT? Something like that. The bikes are drowned. Okay, bye now. Bye. Whoa! Right. Well, that was an eventful day. What did we do? We went to Tesco's. Ricky wanted to buy alcohol, so we got that in Tesco's. Don't run me over. So yeah, went to Tesco's, got some alcohol. Then we went up to Ken Black's, yeah. And what did we do? I got my niece some Christmas presents, a bit of Lego and stuff. Yeah, pretty successful day if you ask me. It is bucketing rain, so this is fun. Ricky's behind me. We don't have the car doors connected, so we're only on a short distance up the road. But yeah, it's bucketing rain. I guarantee my phone is saturated. Probably should have put it in my pocket. And also, the media mod isn't waterproof, so I hope I don't damage the microphone on it. That won't be fun. I was going to go the nice road home, but the weather isn't permitting, so what do? I think I'll go back the way I came in. Yeah, the handiest option. It's a bit wet. It's very wet. Oh my god, I can't see. Yeah. Say our goodbyes now to Ricky. Bye, Ricky. I can't see a thing. I nearly fell over. Right. Oh, you go so slow. I always do this. They're not going so, they're going the speed limit. I'm always behind them, like, why are you going so slow? Come on, do 100k. Like, just, I need to calm down. I feel too fast. Oh, I don't know, man. I need to learn how to not be such an arsehole on a motorbike. Is the nicer way to put it. Just go into the corner. I don't need to jam on the brakes. You can. Now, goodbye, Mr. Qashqai. Oh, I'll give you a quick wipe. If you keep seeing my hand going past the camera, I'm wiping my helmet because I can't see shit. Oh, it's not cold. Like, this is ideal riding weather if it wasn't fucking raining. It's a bit windy, but you get over that. I would go to Tuller Road, it's just too fucking wet and I'll be drowned by the time I get home. It's like a good extra 15-20 minutes to my drive. Pulled out in front of me and was doing a really slow rate of speed, so bye. I go now, I leave you. But we done them. That's the perks of owning a motorbike, son. Yeah, look, I'm gonna wrap this video up here anyway. I'm just about at home, so you'll miss nothing. You just needn't worry. There's nothing exciting from here on out. Look, yeah, let me know what you think. I'm not used to doing shit like this, but if it's something people enjoy, I'll happily keep doing it because I enjoy it. So if you guys find it fun watching me and Ricky and a few other lads driving around on motorbikes and just talking shit and being arseholes, let me know in the comments. Who are you? Yeah. Keep me posted anyway, lads. And sure, drop a like or a dislike or whatever you want to do. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, because I'll be posting more. Yeah, no, I really just want to know in the comments what you think, so I know if I should keep doing this or not. But yeah, I'm going to leave it at that anyways. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.